Hey guys, what's up? Pretty much this new thing that this Venom drone, I've been trying to get it to to calibrate, and I've been watching YouTube after YouTube after YouTube after YouTube. I think I watched like 9 videos on this particular drone, and with the calibration, they said that you got to go, lift it up off the ground and do the one thing this way, then the thing this way. Well, I tried that and tried that and tried that, and I just kept on getting the blink, 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 blink. It's like the two and then the one, two, two, boom, one, two, two, one. I just kept getting that and getting that and getting that. Well, I just got into screwing around with it today, and I finally got it up off the ground, and I got it calibrated. And this is what I did. I pretty much, I just got kind of frustrated. I didn't throw it or anything. I was like, you know what? I just got to thinking. Everybody says to go this way. Well, how about if you try and go this way first? Do it 5 times. Do it this way 5 times. And then do this way 5 times. And that pretty much linked it up. And I got it to take off. I'll show you the video. But yeah, if you guys are having problems linking this thing up, try that. See if that'll help. Because I've been working on it for a while. Almost 3 weeks now. Almost 3 weeks that I've been working with this. So go ahead and if you're having problems with it, try it that way. And leave me comments below if you're doing it like the flat first, doing it this way and then this way. If you can get it to link up that way, then more power to you. But if you can't get it to calibrate, that's pretty much what I mean with link, calibrate. If you can't get it to calibrate, try the other method. Because I tried it, and up and away, it went. But I just wanted to let everybody know that it's just something I came up with. I tried, and it works. Now, I'll show you the video from the actual drone itself. Here it is. Now here's the link from the drone itself. You ain't gonna be able to see, you ain't gonna be able to hear anything, but here's the link to the. Now here's me. I got this thing up finally. It flies. And this is footage from the drone itself. I was just pretty much just trying to have fun with it, and just pretty much just trying to fly it around. I think somewhere around here I adjust the camera in mid-flight so that you can see a little bit better. Somewhere around here, adjust the camera. But yeah, I was just happy that I got it up in the air. Finally, after 3 weeks, people, after 3 weeks, I've been trying to get this thing up in the air. So, now here's where I adjust the camera in mid-flight. There you go. But yeah, that's it. That's the thing. That's the camera. And if you're having problems, that's this whole rundown. Pretty much got it up in the air finally. But I hope you enjoyed that. And if you're having problems, please leave me comments below so that maybe I can help you out. But I'm just glad I got it up in the air. Till my next video. Dovinator signing off. I'll see you later. Peace.